Hello viewers, today we're going to be swapping the blades on this 52-inch Hampton Bay Huntington III from white to bleached oak. I think this looks really good in the white on white combination. As far as nostalgia is concerned, this is what I usually remember seeing them in. The majority of these that I saw were white with white blades. But I'm curious to see what it looks with what it looks like with the bleached oak blades, and it's certainly easy enough to find out on something like this. Pardon the horrible camera work for a moment as I raise the camera up here on the tripod. So this is a quick connect fan, which I think is a brilliant concept. There's a little lever on the inside of the iron here which you push down, and then on the blades I like to push up and in. Up because if you don't push up, the front of the iron sometimes will scratch the blades. That did happen on one of these blades. Fortunately it happened on the white side, so it's correctable, but why not avoid that if possible? So here's the bleached oak side, and we'll go ahead and put this on, get this seated, and again I kind of hold it upwards and then pull it forward to lock it in place. Very easy to do. So here's a quick aesthetics comparison side by side. I really like these irons, and that does give it better contrast. I don't know, I just kind of like the white on white in this case. Although with the light on it does look pretty nice. Now let's keep going. Let's get them all switched and then we'll do a full demo. I'm not going to go into a lot of details, CFM calculations and all that, but I do want to show all the speeds, and we'll show it from different angles and so forth. This is so brilliant. Such a brilliant design. Yeah, see, this iron was the one that got, or this blade was the one that got a little bit scratched, which was user error. It's like looking through a lock. A lock. Sounds like a locksmith in here. This is such a huge time saver when installing these fans. Such an exceptional design. Okay, there we go. Now it's the bleached oak. And you know what? That actually does look pretty nice. As I said with the Hampton Bay Minuet 2, this is the same color walls as the media room, and I really think that the bleached oak blades look very nice against these walls. I think this is pretty much identical finish to the blades on the Minuet. Shut the light on for a minute. Air quality alert. Yeah, I actually do like it like this. I like it both ways. But the other way is definitely more nostalgic. That is a powerful fan. I can feel a lot of air kicking up over here. Get that stinking tripod out of the way. It's amazing how much power they could get out of these fans with just a little 153 motor. This particular one is kind of noisy, but it pushes out some pretty good air even on low. I've got a steady breeze over here. The blades are looking a lot darker on the camera than they are in the person. I don't know why that is. This has some pretty good bearings, and especially not having been used for 20 something years before it was installed. That's not what I wanted. I wanted the stinking bright light. See if I can get a good thumbnail of the picture. That actually looks pretty good for showing a ceiling fan with the bright light on. Usually ceiling fans do not photograph well with the light on. That's no good. It's not bad. I really like the shades on these fans. Really nice alabaster shades.